listening.
Listen to problem 4. Find the points of intersection of the graphs of x squared plus y equals 6. So, to begin the problem, you want to move these x values. Oh, hold on, let me get my marker. Get these x values and move them and subtract them to the other side for both so we can get our values. So after you put it into slope form, which is this form, you want to graph them into this graph that I drew right here. This one is going to be a parabola and this one is going to be a straight line that intersects at 4, which will be right here. Let me get a different color actually. It will be right here. And we'll go down by 1 each time, creating a straight rectilinear line, as you like to call it, like that. And that will be the equation, or that will be the line for this equation. And we'll go ahead and draw the parabola, which starts at y6 and will open downwards. So after you draw your parabola, you can find the points of intersection where they cross each other, which would be right here and right here, and those values are -1 and 5 and 2 and 2, and these two values will be the answer to this problem.